Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. No, I'm joking. The internet has been buzzing about this Corey Holcomb and Anton Daniels thing, and we are determined to get to the bottom of it. We done had different people that have came out. You know what I mean? You got comedians, you got streamers, YouTubers. Man, I've even seen this thing on what is that thing called, man? What's that messy thing called? I forgot what the name of it is. What is it? World Star. I think it was on World Star or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into it, man. See what these other people are saying in the streets about this Corey Holcomb and Anton Daniels situation. Leg out.
Ladies and gentlemen, people are talking about this argument, this back and forth that Anton and Corey Holcomb had. Anton was on Corey Holcomb's show. I don't know what the hell they was arguing about. I guess they were talking about the industry, that all that back and forth. But I can tell you this, you know what I'm saying? And this for all the grown men. You got to watch how you talk to other grown men, grown with adult males.
Right.
You understand? You can't say any and everything. Like everybody knows when it comes to men, you know, you got to be very careful how you talk. Always have respect. You know, you can't imply or express certain things to a man. You argue with a man and y'all having a debate back and forth. You can't start with the low blows and the yes, well you be you can't talk like that.
Facts.
You can't. Not unless you ready.
Yeah. Facts. That's a fact.
Not unless you're ready. With every man, with every single man on earth, even among friends, there's a low level threat of violence.
He's speaking facts.
You can't say any and everything. People say, man, mess around, get your damn, you know what I'm saying? Your feet gonna leave the ground. You know what I mean? And if you can't really fight like that, hey, don't talk crazy.
Yeah.
You mess around, get your ass whooped out here.
That's a fact.
And that's if you're lucky.
I agree with what he was saying, but I would have appreciated a little bit more context behind it because, you know, people need to know and understand that it goes both ways. It's not just one-sided. Even as a comedian, when you are having a face-to-face conversation with somebody, especially a man, you need to know that there is a low level. I mean, really, really low. If you cross that line, especially if we don't know each other, we don't know what our triggers are. We don't know you got to be extremely careful about that, man. Like we can joke around, we can play, we can ha, chit chat, whatever. But I would say when it comes to most men, they don't play about that. Don't say nothing about me kissing another man's. We don't do that. And I ain't gonna say nothing about you, you know, sucking it, whatever. It goes both ways. But what you can't do is throw an attack at somebody and then expect for that person just to take that jab and go on about their way. No. The gloves is off. That bell done rung now. You better be ready for what comes next. You got to be ready for what comes next. It is what it is. It's up from here. Respectfully. But you can't throw the dang on rock and then try to hide your hands. It don't work like that. And I still say, Corey, you threw the first jab, even though I do believe that Anton had a little bit more animosity in the beginning. I don't think that he crossed the line. I do not believe that he crossed that line first, even though, again, I will continue to say that I from the jump, it seems like he had some smoke for Corey. He still didn't cross that line. He still kept it respectful. That's just my personal opinion.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.